cutting shapes, a real show. Crayons bright, the colors flow. Stay inside, escape the snow.